Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to discuss big news in the cryptocurrency space, being Jack Dorsey stepping down as the CEO of Twitter. Yesterday, CNBC reported that Jack Dorsey will be stepping down immediately, but will still be on the board until May. So in this video, I want to walk through what he's done with Square, what he's done with Bitcoin, and what the implications of this decision could mean for the Web 3.0 space and the development of the cryptocurrency space moving forward. To start this video off, I want to take us back to the Bitcoin 2021 conference in Miami. In this video, Jack Dorsey speaks about his involvement to Bitcoin, the importance of it is to him, as well as what he would be doing with it if he wasn't working for Twitter and/or Square. Check this video out.
Kind of mantra that like Bitcoin is for everybody, that it's like non-discriminatory, that it's really kind of opening for many people around the world who are walled off from whether it's transactions, saving, connecting with the world. What is your perspective on this idea that like Bitcoin is for everybody?
Well, I mean, that's what I'm focused on, making sure that I help with. Like whatever I can do, whatever my companies can do to make it accessible to everyone is how I'm gonna spend the rest of my life. Like if I were not at Square or Twitter, I'd be working on Bitcoin. If it needed more help than Square and Twitter, I would leave them for Bitcoin. But I think, I believe both companies have a role to play, and I think anything that we can do as companies to help also find the right intersection between a corporate narrative and a community open narrative is for the best.
So for me, the big takeaway of that video is when he said if he was not working at Square or Twitter, he would be working on Bitcoin. It's clear he has a passion for that, and with him stepping down as the CEO of Twitter, I wonder where that'll take him. With that said, I want to walk through what he's already done in that space to push the pendulum forward within his companies Square and Twitter prior to his resignation. So now I want to walk through some of the things he's already done within his time at Twitter as well as Square to continue to push that pendulum, specifically the first few examples in cryptocurrency. So Blockworks tweeted out on September 23rd a video saying Twitter is officially launching Bitcoin tipping payment that's made available through the Lightning Network. So playing this video here, you go ahead and you click on the upper right hand corner, and then it takes you to a tipping section. There you leave a note just like Venmo. You can say whatever you want to who you're going to be sending it to. After you do that, you open your wallet, which will link you to the Lightning Network, and you'll confirm that payment. From there, it works just like any other Venmo system where it transacts and sends it through the blockchain to that person. Moving to the next component that it seems Twitter may be implementing soon, it's actually an Ethereum address. So obviously what I just showed you is they've enabled Bitcoin tipping, and now it seems they actually may be moving to implementing Ethereum within all of our Twitters as well. The next video I'm going to show is actually looking at a video of working on NFP profile verification. So this is from Justin Taylor, who's the head of consumer product marketing at Twitter, and he shared this video in terms of what we may see coming from NFT verification.
So as promised, I wanted to show you some experiment we did about NFT. So basically you would be able to edit your profile, click on your avatar and select NFT. From this you would be able to connect to your wallets and choose your preferred wallet. So for the purpose of the experiment, I'm just mocking the backend. So after confirming, you will be able to download all your NFT from OpenSea, select one, and then you will have your NFT as your avatar with the Ethereum check mark, showing that this NFT has been minted on Ethereum blockchain. If you click on collectible as well, you can see the collection of NFT you have. If you have any feedback or ID, please don't hesitate to share. Thank you.
Moving over to Square now to see some of the things he's already implemented with that side of his business. So on October 15th of this year, he tweeted out, Square is considering building a Bitcoin mining system based on custom silicon and open source for individuals and businesses worldwide. If we do this, we'd follow our hardware wallet model, build in the open in collaboration with the community. First, some thoughts and questions, and then he goes on to list a thread. So to me, all this means is he wants to expand the reach to common people from the ecosystem in order to further the Bitcoin as well as the cryptocurrency. So finally, moving to an article yesterday from CNBC talking about Square and what this could mean for Jack as he moves forward and out of the position as a CEO at Twitter. So in the article highlighted, he states, Square was just in July, it was created a new business dedicated to building a decentralized finance application for Bitcoin. Obviously, as we know now, decentralized finance is continuing to get bigger and bigger, but most of it is off the Ethereum or other network chains. He also described it as an open developed platform with the sole goal of making it easy to create non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized finances services with Bitcoin. In October, the Square CEO also had mentioned the company might join into the Bitcoin mining business, which we had just discussed. And finally, earlier this month, the Payments Created had released a white paper detailing to launch a decentralized exchange system to own its own system for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So to me, it's clear that Jack continues to push the boundaries of what Square and what he did with Twitter could mean for Web 3.0. Ultimately, I think it's a plus that he's stepping down from the CEO of Twitter to kind of move into this space. For me, all indications point to him continuing to work and develop the Bitcoin ecosystem, but also continue to move forward with cryptocurrency and Web 3.0. Ultimately, I think this will be a monumental moment for a developer like Jack to continue to work to push the space. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and share, and make sure to subscribe as well. I'll be back with more videos soon. Thanks.